Welcome to Aram Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install the Zoom app on your Windows machine. First, start by opening a browser such as Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Zoom. Click the zoom.us search result. Once on the Zoom website, click the Resources button in the top navigation bar. Then click Download Center. Next, download the file that fits your computer architecture. If you are unsure, click 64-bit. Once the download finishes, double-click the installer file. The installer will open, and it will take about 30 seconds to install. Once installed, the Zoom app will close and reopen. You will see an Install Successful notice when the installation is complete. Click Done. The main Zoom window will pop up. You can either join a meeting or sign into your Zoom account.